Why choose the STR550 laser welder for cleanroom manufacturing? Proven efficiency and stability. Discover why this cleanroom manufacturing company chose the STR550 laser welder at the time of repurchase. Extensive comparison tests demonstrated that the STR550 significantly enhances work efficiency and stability, making it the ideal choice for improved productivity. With a lighter, more stable welding gun, this model addresses limitations found in previously used welders, offering a reliable solution for high-quality cleanroom production. Watch the video to see how the STR550 can elevate your manufacturing process.